The new study from the University of Trento and Institute of Bioscience and Biotechnology Research has finished another step towards creating fully functional artificial cells by allowing these cells to communicate back and forth between themselves and surrounding natural cells. In order to perform this test, the modifications began with the cells being constructed to respond to quorum signals. Scientists were able to modify the genes within the cell, which in turn were able to build the receptors to obtain the signal. The next part to test was the ability of an artificial cell to take the signal and in turn send out the signal to other cells to continue the communication. This required the ability of scientists to build the genetic codes to allow artificial cells to interpret the signal received and deliver the chemical message across its own membrane to natural cells. The results made in this study do not make artificial cells readily available to use. This step is only one new understanding of many that are still not to be understood yet. By developing a cell with the ability to send and receive signals only gives us a portion of a functioning cell's responsibilities. This study does create a large amount of progress toward understanding cells, but not enough to fully understand them.
Stop. Cells communicate in signal. By 180 back with a brand new riddle. Cells communicate nicely. 3 steps daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, you'll know soon. Pay attention and we'll show you this tune. Starting with step 1 and you'll see reception is the first key. Reception starts with a signaling molecule. Detection outside the cell, that's the rule. Signal detected when a chemical signal binds to receptor protein. Ligand's what they call that, if you know what I mean. If you have a problem, we'll help solve it. Keep on listening, and we'll resolve it. Self-communication, baby. Self-communication, baby. Self-communication, baby. Now that the first step is out of the way, transduction can be brought in sleigh. Each step is like a pathway. The relay molecules changes the next, and so on. It's not too complex. Steps involve the addition and removal of phosphate groups, getting that approval. That activates proteins. Can you see what I mean? Most of the molecules in the pathway are protein kinases. What are those, you say? Enzymes that transfer phosphate groups from ATP to protein is not a lot of work. This process creates a phosphorylation cascade. Can you see how it's conveyed? Step 2 is now complete. Transduction is not obsolete. If you have a problem, we'll help solve it. Keep on listening, and we'll resolve it. Self-communication, baby. Self-communication, baby. Self-communication, baby. Self-communication, baby. Listen up, because we're lyrical poets. Step 3 is up next and we'll try and show it. I hope you listen to all our prep. Response is the ending step. The signal triggers a cellular response from gene expression to metabolic responses. With that, here's the finale. Pay attention to class and always study. Biology can be pretty easy if you know what you're doing. Spewing these raps hopefully gets the grades you're pursuing. Self-communication, baby. Self-communication, baby. Self-communication, baby. Self-communication, baby. Yo, man, let's get out of here. Word to Zalatown. So, what'd you think?
Honestly, dogs, you're not cut out for Hollywood. You don't got the dancing skills, you don't got the singing skills, you just don't have it. You know, we're looking for it. You guys don't have it.
You girls are precious. I'm feeling it, but sweeties, it's not your day.
I am just bequeathed. That is one of the worst raps I've ever heard. And I hope you never make it to Hollywood. And, die.
Turns.